Hello friends. Some problems are troublesome. However, they are very simple to solve. Here we have a problem. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like bank PO, MBA, CAT, GMAT, railway exam, SSC, UPSC, etc. Now I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems with ease. Let's start. If x plus 1 by x equal to 7, then find x square upon x4 plus x square plus 1. So here we have given x plus 1 by x equal to 1 by 7. Now squaring both the sides, squaring both the sides, we get x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square equal to 49, and this is our equation number 1. Now we want to find the value of x square upon x4 plus x square plus 1. Dividing numerator and denominator by x square. So we get 1 upon x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square, or this is equal to 1 upon x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square minus 1, adding and subtracting 1. So this, we substitute the value of this from equation number 1. So we get this is equal to 1 upon 49 minus 1 using equation number 1. So this is equal to 1 upon 48. So our answer is 1 upon 48. So it means this is equal to 1 upon 48. This is our answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.